to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, I'll give you some time to subscribe and press notification button. This time we are just gonna be creating a dish just using canned foods because I didn't feel like cutting any meat or any vegetables, but I wanted something tasty. So let's see how we can all make this quick meal. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my creations. I love this dish. I'm not proud of it because I'm using all canned food. So I love sardines, so I have sardines here. And this one is wild caught sardines. It's just a different kind of sardines with olive oil. And I have the chickpeas here. So I'm gonna put this together using the onion and my favorite Gino Java sauce, or you can use tomato sauce if you want, but what I have here is my sauce. I'm gonna start by putting some olive oil, then all those onions, just cut them up in medium size. Yeah, you have to use a lot of onions. A lot of onions are very good with the sardines. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get all the cans open. Right now, I'm opening the chickpeas. I gotta take them liquid out. Same for all the others. You take as much liquid as you can. So now we're gonna take out the bones from the sardines. I mean, they're not like huge bones, they're like very small bones, but I always try and take them out. See these bones? I remove them, I take them out. Oh, you can get them. It's not a problem. Now I'm ready to put all the canned stuff in, the chickpeas and both the sardine fish. Good stuff, good stuff. I have stirred everything together, so now I'm going to put a little bit of crushed pepper. You know how I love spicy food, so I'm not gonna go without that. And next I'm going to put the sauce. As I said, for the sauce, you have a choice of putting the tomato paste or the tomato sauce. Here I'm just using the special sauce I make, Java sauce. And I stir it, and you can see it does not take long at all. You can have some goods you can eat with bread or rice or pasta or whatever you choose to, or you can eat it by itself. It's great stuff. So it's basically done. Okay, I had it simmering at a very low heat, so I'm gonna take it out now. So it's all done. All I needed was a total of 8 minutes to do this. So beautiful, delicious.